The one you just heard is the Concerto de Aranjuez by Rodrigo, and that's a piece which was composed actually describing gardens in Spain in the city of Aranjuez, and it's for guitar and orchestra, as you probably heard. And the second movement is very, very well known. That's been transcribed, played all over the place. We have a flamenco dancer coming from that, from New York. And we're going to do the Ravel Bolero as well, which is going to be a lot of fun. And also, we have a premiere, we have an arrangement made for us of the famous tango, El Chiclo. We have an arrangement for orchestra and violin solo. We're going to do that as well. So it's really all about Spanish music. And that we have a lot of high school students who play in the percussion section, in the strings. That's part of our program with the school, where we do actually scholarships for the students to be able to play with us.